The new generation of hollowing tool is here. This is the Elbo Tool. It's a big upgrade over the old Elbo. This is 18 pounds of CNC milled steel. The biggest change is right here. This base allows the Elbo Tool to be mounted to any length lathe. It also accommodates swings from 12 inches all the way up to 27. And the innovations continue. This little bar here is a big change. It is on top of the articulating arm. So this never gets in the way of the base or the arm. So you have a 360-degree rotation with no obstructions. We still have a toolbar coming out right here. It's 16 inches now, so you can go up to 12 inches without any problem. The other aspect to it that is super cool is this right here. We have an auxiliary handle. So now when you're doing deeper hollowing, you have something you can hang on to for a little more sturdy grip and a little more stability. Now, a thing our competitors don't have is this is a 1/4 inch bit. So we can put in a large bit for aggressive cutting, or you can put in 3/16 inch bits, or you can use carbide bits. It's very versatile. And the Elbo Tool is very easy to set up. You simply attach the base to your lathe, and you slide the shaft into the receiver. This little retaining ring, once you set it, your height is always the same. Bing, bang, boom, you're ready to hollow. The Elbo Tool's articulation gives you fingertip control with the lightest touch. If you hate rust as much as I do, you'll be glad to know that we are the only hollowing system on the market to be coated in nickel. You're not going to have to worry about rust ever again. The Elbo Tool is also one of the most compact articulating systems on the market and much smaller than the old captive bar hollowing systems. The Elbo Tool works with any 3/4 inch bar, but we also sell adapters for 5/8 inch, 1/2 inch, and 3/8 inch. The Elbo Tool is available in 3 configurations. This is the complete, as you see here, with the optional laser. You can also buy it without the laser right here, or you can buy it without the handles or the bars in case you have your own bars that you want to use. So there you have it, the Elbo Tool hollowing system. Time to get hollowing.